White space permeates our documents, and sometimes you'll need to search for that white space. Word makes it easy to select this special class of information through the use of find and replace. Word allows you to search not just for text, but also for special characters that normally do not print. Word even provides a shorthand character to search for white space. White space is any combination of spaces, tabs, paragraph marks, new line characters, and breaks. In short, it's most non-printing characters. To search for white space, start by pressing Ctrl-H. This displays the Replace tab of the Find and Replace dialog box. If you don't want to actually do any replacing, then just jump over to the Find tab of the dialog box. In the Find What box, enter the text for which you want to search. To search for white space, all you need to do is enter a caret, that's a Shift 6 on the keyboard, followed by a lowercase w. It's important to use a lowercase w. A capital W will not work here. You can then set other searching parameters as desired. When you're done, all you have to do is click on Find Next, and the next instance of white space is found. You'll notice that what happened here is that it selected the space, a single space, because that's considered white space. That means that without some additional things to search for, your searching for white space will basically just let you step through every single space in the document. So what I typically do is I will search for white space at the end of a paragraph. So I'll put a caret P at the very end here, and I'm going to move this down. And now if I do Find Next, notice that it selected this big white area down here. Now you can't really tell what's there because we don't have Show Hide turned on. If you do want to see what's there, then over here on the Home tab of the ribbon, click on the Show Hide tool, and then you can see what white space has been selected by this find operation. Notice that it's selected spaces, it's selected tabs, and it's actually selected the enter character, the pilcrow, the hard return at the end of that paragraph. This allows you to then go in and make changes so you can get rid of those extra characters that are in there. When you're searching for certain types of information, looking for white space can be very, very helpful. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few moments with me today.